welcome back to Soul Canyon Kitchen.
Ciao tutti! Today we're making a creamy cauliflower and celery root soup that we're going to top with some roasted shiitake mushrooms. This is my first time ever using celery root.
Actually, a lot of people have never eaten celery root.
Yeah.
And I'm always surprised because I love root vegetables. I know you do too.
I love root vegetables.
So I'm really surprised.
But you see this thing as celery root, you're like, what the hell is this thing? What
And
do I do with this?
Yeah, it's strange looking, but it's cool. Very cool.
Yeah, and I love being able to utilize every part of
the plant.
Yeah, exactly.
And the roots have their own nutrition. I always tell people with root vegetables, you really should eat organic.
Yeah.
Because all the things that are going down in the soil and it's concentrating the toxins. So make sure you get it organic. And if you buy it from your local farmer's market, it will be fine.
Yeah, you'll be good.
It'll be good. So we're gonna start this recipe by getting the mushrooms started, the shiitake mushrooms. And shiitakes, oh, they're so beautiful. Look at them. I just love mushrooms.
So,
all right,
let's turn this baby on.
Yeah,
first
turn
of all.
it on.
How high do we?
Let me just put it up high. Okay, so now the onions are caramelized.
Yes.
And the garlic, and the smell. And now we're gonna add the spices and the veggies.
Yeah. So we have some thyme. I'd say about what?
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon of each.
Maybe a teaspoon and a half because we're heavy on.
We're heavy-handed. Teaspoon thyme, rosemary, and some sage.
Oh, I love sage. God, those three spices, I can't wait.
Let's
to try.
Yeah, a little salt and pepper, obviously.
Now we have some bouillon, so we don't need much salt because that has it in there.
Yeah.
If
If you have bouillon, throw it in. If you don't, no biggie.
No worries.
We'll get this. There's herbs all.
See, now the smell. And I'm gonna just add a little of this, get that caramel.
So this is a mix. We have about 6 cups of mix of veggie broth and water. So
I did half.
Yeah, 3 cups of veggie broth, 3 cups of water.
You keep stirring.
Yeah.
And this is our celery root. We chopped it because it's going to be easier to cook in here. But you'll see how we prepare it. It's really important to soak it in water because it gets brown and looks ugly, but it still tastes delicious. But we soaked it in water while we're waiting so it doesn't oxidize. Wow, that's all it made.
Yeah. Cooked down to next to nothing, but the flavor gets so concentrated.
But that's like my portion. Where's yours?
Yeah, right?
Okay,
beautiful. Mushrooms are looking good.
It's been 30 minutes. The soup is done. Everything is soft and ready to be blended. The mushrooms are beautiful, kind of crispy and meaty looking.
I really want to taste one right now, but I'm not going to because...
Oh, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, why not?
This isn't the official taste test. God. Okay, we've blended the soup and it's all ready in our pot to serve. But before we do that, I'm going to add the tamari, and we decided to add 2 tablespoons. Now it's going to make it a little darker than you know, what it is right now, but not that much. That
But
it's
it'll
gonna-
also make it more flavorful.
Oh, yeah.
The best part, taste.
Taste test.
Okay, cool. All right, let's
Dig in.
get in there. Make sure you get some mushrooms.
Don't worry.
You just come up with a scoop of just mushrooms.
The bigger question is make sure you leave me some mushrooms.
Yeah, right.
Or have me.
Yeah.
I don't know, how would you describe that? I would say aromatic, warm,
Herbaceous, warm,
earthy. So
and I really usually prefer my soups really chunky and hearty. But you know what? There's
certain
some soups that are more elegant pureed.
They are, and the
smooth and pureed.
celery root, honestly,
Yeah.
it makes it creamy when you blend it. It will be much better blended than chunky.
Yeah. Oh, I think I'm liking it more and more with each bite too.
And your soups
Why
are-
do I always hold on to the bowl and I always leave you with your hand so use your hand?
That's okay, I'm so used to it because you're tall. I'm so tall, I have to do this always.
That's good.
Okay, one more bite.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me get a spoon. You're just gonna mix the top around 'cause it's- Okay, and you gotta get your
I gotta get that mushroom.
Damn!
Damn.
Good one. And stay tuned for the soul question. Soul question.
Yeah.
Margot,
Yes.
I know we all have a low point in life, but some people have gone lower than others and even hit rock bottom. So, what has your lowest point, or even if you've hit rock bottom, what has it taught you in life?
I've definitely had some extremely difficult experiences, and I've learned so much, so much from them. But I think one of the most powerful things that these difficult experiences have taught me is it showed me my own resilience that I didn't know that I had. It showed me a resilience that I did not know I had, but I proved to myself that I do, and I've never forgotten that.
And since then, don't you feel like you could handle a lot more now?
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to be put in situations. I don't look forward to more situations like that, but I've shown myself that I can. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a certain confidence
Yeah.
that it brings you in
Just
the future.
some kind of I'm gonna be okay, or I'm gonna come out the other side of this.
Yeah, that's
You know?
cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Whew, I'm sweating.
I know, right?
I'm
Getting a facial.
Woo! 3, 2,